Hey, welcome back everybody. Well, most of you, probably most all of you live in an area in the United States that gets colder than here. Unless you're from Arizona or something, well, even parts of Arizona. But in Western Washington, we don't get that cold. We do get pretty cold, but not like the Midwest and the East Coast. So, anyways, we were up at the fair, and we ran into a guy who, well, he showed us something pretty cool. These little things are pocket warmers. They're called Click Heat. Now, there's a couple different brands out there. There's Click Heat, Snappy Heat, Heat to Go. There's a few brands, but they're all basically the same thing. Well, let's show you how this thing works. So, I'm going to zoom in on this thing. Cody here is going to click it, show you what this thing does.
It's insane. Oh, there it goes.
All right, there she goes. This thing fills up immediately.
It's already hot.
It's already hot, isn't it?
It's cold over here and really hot over here.
And that whole thing just crystallizes inside. It's still flexible and stuff, but that thing, they get up to about 130 degrees.
That's hot. Ow.
So, when we're out hunting and stuff, when we go up in the mountains, it's pretty cold up there. So these are nice. One is actually enough to just keep you... Just one in your hands, you know, back and forth, whatever. Of course, you can do 2 or 4 or whatever you want to do. But we thought these things were cool. We've been kind of testing them out and stuff, and yeah, that's pretty toasty.
I'm pretty sure if you have really cold feet and you just put one in your sock or in your shoe or something, you'll never have cold feet.
Right, and if any of your wives are like my wife, well, they're pretty cold all the time. It could be 105 degrees outside and they look like this. So this is pretty cool. So here's something we did. Now, these are reusable. And so what we did was, well, in the directions it says you can just put them in a pan of boiling water and it brings them back to basically neutral, just like a gel again. And then you just cool them down and they're ready to go again. So we've got 2 more here that we boiled. And we're going to show you that, yep, you can boil them down basically just to another clear gel. And you can snap that little tab in there, just a little coin thing in there. You can snap this thing here real quick. And right back to it. Simple as that. There's the heat, feel that. There's the heat already.
So flexible.
We're not going to get into the science behind this. No. We just thought it was really cool and something that we've started to enjoy. And since they're reusable,
we're going to have these for a very long time.
I hope so. I do hope so. So I'm going to leave a link below. Now there's different manufacturers, but they're all basically the same. And they make these things that are actually really big too. So, you know, if you want them for your neck or your back or whatever, they got them. They got big ones. But I'm going to link these below. You know, if you use a link, it is an affiliate link, and so we'll make like a nickel off every box you buy. But anyways, it does help support the channel, so I hope this is interesting to you. I know we certainly enjoyed it, so let's snap that other one real quick, and let's see if that does the same thing too.
Oh,
there it goes.
Oh, there it goes. And it's warm.
It's hot already?
It's hot already.
Oh yeah, yeah. You know what? I'll take my heat gun. 126 and a half. Yeah, 126. So
probably around 120 to 127.
Yeah, they say they get up to about 130, but you know, that's it's plenty toasty. And they're durable. All right guys, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in a week.